Morning children. Yesterday we have learnt 1, 2, 3 questions, right? Today let us start with the fourth question. What is soil degradation? Reduction in the quality of soil is called soil degradation. Can you spell the word soil degradation? SOIL, soil, DEGRADATION, degradation, soil degradation. So children, here new word also there, reduction, REDUCTION, reduction. Reduction in the quality of soil is called soil degradation. Now coming to fifth question. What is soil conservation? Can you spell the word conservation? CONSERVATION, conservation. Protecting the soil. PROTECTING, protecting the soil and helping it retain its natural qualities and fertility is called soil conservation. We have a soil conservation methods, children: terrace farming, intercropping, crop rotation method and biofertilizers. These 4 methods we can follow to conserve our soil. Now coming to fourth Roman, children. Now first question. Describe 2 types of soil and name the crops that grow well in them. Yeah, we have 6 type of soils. You can write any 2 of that. Among that 6 type of soils, you can choose any 2. Yeah, I have chosen alluvial soil and black soil. Just let me explain about these 2. First one, alluvial soil. The soil has fine grains and is deposited by rivers flowing over plains. Rice, wheat and sugarcane grow well in this soil. It contains plenty of nutrients. Yeah, alluvial soil can be deposited by the rivers. Yes, I have told to you. Especially we have the soil in the northern plains, North India. Like we have the Ganga river and Yamuna river. So these rivers can deposit this alluvial soil. The soil have the plenty of nutrients, children. And rice, wheat, sugar can grow very well in this soil. Now coming to black soil, we called as a black cotton soil. What is the other name of the black soil, children? Black cotton soil. This soil is dark in color and is very fine grained. Okay, the soil is very fine grained. It absorbs and retains water better than alluvial soil. So alluvial soil also retains the water, but black soil better than alluvial soil. What are the crops grown in this black soil? Cotton, citrus fruits, cereals grow well in black soil. Cotton, citrus fruits, cereals such as wheat, rice, okay, grow well in black soil. This is about first question in the fourth Roman, children. Now coming to second question. Now second question, children. What causes soil degradation? There are 2 ways this can happen, children. First one is soil erosion. The removal of the fertile top layer of the soil is called soil erosion. Can you spell the word soil erosion? SOIL, soil, EROSION, erosion. Okay, it can take place naturally or can be caused by man. Yes, I have told you, due to heavy rains, floods will come, like Nivar, Hudud, Fani. We have the different kind of floods, right? At the time of floods, the top layer of the soil will wash away, right? And that is a natural thing, okay? That is a natural cause and can be caused by man. Yes, human beings cutting down trees. So what happens? The roots will not hold the soil. So the top layer of the soil will wash away. So these 2 things can happen in the soil degradation. And excessive use of chemicals. Farmers use pesticides to keep away pests that destroy the crops. Yeah, our farmers are using pesticides. Whenever use the excessive chemicals, so what happens? It damages the soil and causes it to lose its natural nutrients. So excessive means children it's not good for soil. So whenever you use the excessive chemicals, the nutrients of the soil will lost. Okay, this is about second question, children. Now coming to third question, explain the different ways of conserving soil. Yeah, we have the different 4 ways to conserve the soil. First one, terrace farming. In hilly regions, the slopes of hills or mountains are cut into steps which allow farming on level land on the sides of hills or mountains. This ensures that soil does not get washed away. So children, I have told to you, at this especially in hilly regions, in mountainous regions, they will that cut into steps, right? They will cut into a steps. See children, like this. They will cut into a steps. So what happens? The level land is suitable for to farming the crops. Then what happens? The top layer of the soil will not go washed away. And coming to second point, intercropping. Intercropping is the process of growing 2 or more types of crops in an alternate rows on the same field. Alternate rows on the same field, children. Example I have told to you, same field but different types, 2 or more types, more crops like coconut palm with rice, right? And we have the different sugar cane and corn, like 2 or more crops on the same field. That is intercropping. What is crop rotation? Different crops are planted one after the other in the same soil during different seasons. Yeah, intercropping is different and crop rotation is different, children. Crop rotation means we have a different seasons, right? Spring season, summer season, monsoon season, autumn season, winter season. So at different seasons they will forming a different crops. That cycle will again rotates. That means for summer they planted rice. Next summer also rice. In winter they have planted cotton. The next winter also cotton. In monsoon they planted wheat. So next monsoon also wheat. The same crop will rotate. Okay, same crop will rotate the different seasons. That is a crop rotation. Now coming to biofertilizers. There are organisms that help make the soil rich in nutrients. Those are called biofertilizers. Example, earthworm. Earthworm is our biofertilizers and also friend of a farmer. So children, this is today work, children. You should read and learn this question and answers. Then write without seeing, children. So let us practice this exam and all the best. Thank you. Have a nice day.